All right, line set cover time. Let's see how long it takes me to install this.
Bobby, can you do this for me? Every single game, can you do this?
Coach, not only will I do it for you, yes, I'll do it for you.
I've been trying to hurry up, but the line set cover is installed. I'm gonna connect the copper and pressurize it. Well, after I purge it, I like to purge any debris that's inside the copper, just in case. Then I like to pressurize, then vacuum. All right, so guys, like I was saying before my battery ran out, I haven't been recording. I've been trying to hurry. I've been in a hurry. I've had some personal emergencies come up that made it difficult. And I'm not gonna go into specifics, but it was pretty serious stuff going on.
It's really painful.
I'm back, and I'm gonna record as much as I can for you guys, and then let me know what I missed. If there's parts in the video that you wish I'd recorded, I'll most certainly make a note of it for the next video. At least that's what I'm trying to do for the most part in all my videos, is trying to make them better. So right now I'm gonna put these waffle pads or ISO pads underneath the condenser to reduce any vibration transferring from the unit to the floor and then into the house. Alright, now I'm going to dry fit these refrigerant lines into the Schrader valves and start brazing after that. I'm gonna cut this piece. This one I didn't have to do any joints. It's gonna go straight in. All right, so I'm purging with nitrogen all the air out of the lines first. Now I'm gonna slow it down, just a trickle.
Nothing to see here, please. Please disperse. Nothing to see here, please. Please disperse. Nothing to see here, please.
Now I'm gonna put the cores back on with a little bit of nylog magic sauce, and then I'm gonna pressurize it and see where we're at. If you haven't got one, get one. It's pretty cool. It's like a little torque wrench, but it's for shredder cores, so you don't over tighten them or under tighten them. So now I pressurize, and I'll put my gauge on one end, and we'll see what's going on. Let's pressurize this baby. It's at 244 and it's stabilizing. So apparently I forgot that I was still recording, or I didn't push the button hard enough, but it's good that I was recording because I was noticing that the pressure was still going down like very, very slowly. So I went to the attic to go and check the TXV, because oftentimes that could be the culprit up there. Forgot the camera was still on, but yeah, there was some bubbles right here coming from that joint. I think it might still be bubbling, so I'm gonna remove the nitrogen, unscrew that, put nylog, screw it back on, and hopefully that's that, because otherwise I'll have to put a new TXV because I don't have that. I can't reflare that fitting. Yeah, looks like it's still leaking. Alright, so we have the insulation already put on the pipe. We have power inside the unit. I'm gonna get some Liquid-Tite to protect this low voltage wiring. Liquid-Tite, straight connector, Velcro. This protection here has been installed. Nice sticker, huh? Okay, I'm gonna put a strap right here. Alright, and it's going down quick. I'm gonna go and run the gas pipe for the furnace and low voltage from the thermostat to the furnace as well. I was gonna move that light, but it had other conduit connected to it, so I decided to leave it there and just run a Romex, my own light over there. For the power, I was gonna move that box, but all these Romex wires are really brittle and old, so I decided to just use an extension cord. It's for appliances. It's like a 15-foot piece, and I just cut it 8 feet. Let me know what you think. Now I'm gonna run the gas. The gas is back there behind that roll of insulation. I'm gonna run that TracPipe that's right there, that black one. I'm gonna run it and it's gonna come through here, and then I'm gonna put a sediment trap right there. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna put a couple more. Alright, so that's my gas. Don't forget to bleed this, otherwise furnace won't start and then it'll go and it'll lock itself. I need to go get my soapy solution. I'm gonna check all these fittings for leaks, very important. So I'm gonna see if I can pull additional wire for that thermostat. It's pretty loose. I think I'll be able to pull new wire. There we go. I'm gonna put one of these bad boys right here so that our wire doesn't get nicked. I'm gonna close it right here. I'm gonna open this. Waiting to see that number moves. I'll charge it right now. All right, here we go, yo. Look at how quiet that thing is. Quick tip. Furnace newly installed, clearly calling for heat. I got 24 volts coming to the W, but nothing is happening. Check your polarities. The polarities could be reversed. You're welcome. All right, so there's our return. I tried to give them a little bit of a curve so they can be more quiet. Here's the supplies that I reconnected. I put a 1299 right here. This one goes to 2 bedrooms. It's one of those double wall, you know, back-to-back kind of vents. I know you can't see very much over there, but over there I ran a 10 and then it reduces to an 8, which goes to the living room. It's all asbestos covered with fiberglass. This 8-inch is exactly that. It's an 8-inch going to the 1 bedroom. So, and then the one up here, the one on the top is a 9, and I only put a 9 there because it goes kind of far. It's the one that goes over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes way over there. It's for the kitchen, and it gets good there. But yeah,